Hello viewers, this is the construction partner. He wants to show you how to draw a swimming pool, and which is a simple thing. So for today we shall begin with a wall tool, and then just come here. Archicad is open, Archicad 22 is open. Come to ribbon, design, wall. Then I'm selecting a continuous wall. Then I draw. I'll draw a wall of 2000. I put it down. So long as you maintain 90, that is very good. You can see my angle still, it is on 90. So then I also draw 2000. Then I come, I draw 150, 1.5 as in meters. Then I come, I draw 1000. So then 1000, then I can come and draw 3000. It looks a bit long, but it's okay. Then I try to zoom in. Then I maintain 90. Then I draw 1000 still. Then I connect my walls. So I want my shape to be like that, and it is a good shape for a swimming pool. So then after drawing that, I'll come first look for a mesh tool. My mesh tool is there. Properties, I need my thickness. To be 150. To click OK. Then draw my mesh tool. My mesh tool is there, but then when you try to come and put a monkey, and you see the selection in 3D, and then you try to fit it in the window, it shows me that my wall is high, which is okay, and then my mesh, its thickness, it is 150, but it looks a little bit big. So then I'll come back to the ground floor, click in the mesh tool, then mesh selection settings. I say it should let it be 100. 100 looks to be okay. I can go to my selection in 3D and look at it. Yeah, it looks okay. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to draw a cross section. Come to design, come to document, draw a selection. My selection is there. I want it to cut through that. Then I come and right click in selection, then open with current view settings. It shows me here in my selection, it shows me that my walls are higher than the mesh, but then I want my walls to be at the bottom. So I'll come, look for a monkey, highlight my walls, then I place Ctrl A, and then I also come say Ctrl D, and then I drag my walls down. Remember, we are maintaining 90. I look for a good 90. My walls should be down like that. I love that. Look, go to 3D, look at my selection. That is my selection. So my walls are down. That is the depth of my swimming pool. But when you come and see, my mesh tool is taking all over, which means I'm not seeing a hole as it should be in a direct swimming pool. So what I'll come and do, come back to ground floor, right click. I'll come and right click on my mesh tool, then go to the topmost corner there, click it, and then I'll select subtract from polygon. If I subtract it from polygon, then I'll come again in design, look for my mesh tool, then draw a mesh again. It says add new points. Yes, that, but then me I'll say create a hole. It has created a hole. Then also come and draw another one, then say create a hole. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to create a hole in the mesh tool, because a mesh comes when it is a component, as one component, but me, I'm just subtracting a polygon from it, which means I'm making a hole into a mesh. The way I've shown you how to draw a hole, it is also the way you can draw a hole in a beam and also a hole in a slab. We shall look at that in the next videos. So I'll come and autofill, escape, right click in, and then I want to move this, but then it is still in subtract polygon. Then I'll come and click there, move node. So I want to move the nodes. Come and move the node to there, move the node to here, in that my hole is seen very well, and also move my node. I'm moving the nodes and I'm trying to connect them, escape. My mouth has a problem, but in the next videos I'll be having a serious mouth, so I'm trying to create a hole. So when you come back to 3D, it shows me that a hole has been created. Let us try to fit it so that it can be viewed well. A hole has been created in a mesh. It has been created. That is okay. So when you try to go to the bottom of the swimming pool, the walls are down, and this is the hole where people can swim from. So this is good, but then we need a slab so that it can cover